This is Fish Hook. I'm Charles. Thank you for tuning in, guys. We got a special treat today. We're going to make a pineapple cilantro sauce. The star of the dish is grilled skewered shrimp. And I've got another mixture for that as well. So first we're going to get started with the pineapple sauce. Let me show you what we're using. We're using coconut milk. All the links to the ingredients and the whole recipe will be in the links below the video. We have chopped cilantro, some lime juice, pineapple juice, and this is 1 cup of diced pineapple. So these are I was trying to get organic, but I got crushed pineapple. I've got pineapple slices, which I stole the juice out of, and Thai coconut milk. And all our ingredients here. So we're ready. We're going to put this in the blender, puree it for about 30 seconds, and then I'll taste it. It might need a little salt and pepper, and I'll be ready for that. So let's get started. I love pineapple and shrimp. I hope you guys like it. I think you'll enjoy this. It's going to taste great. After we season the shrimp, this is going to be used mainly for dipping sauce, and I'll have it in a little bowl. And so as we eat the grilled shrimp, just dip it in there. Oh, it's delicious. So let's see what happens. We'll get it into a nice puree. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh, this tastes pretty good. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. It'll need a little bit of that. A little bit of salt. Just a pinch. Mix it up. These are easy dishes to make. You guys can do this. The whole procedure, putting it together and grilling, should take no more than 30 to 40 minutes. Man, does that taste good. We'll puree it a little bit more. Now, sometimes the recipe calls for a little serrano pepper, which is like not as strong as a cayenne or a jalapeno. I prefer not to have it with that hot tang on it. If I do, I'll throw a little crushed red pepper on my seasoning on my particular shrimp. I don't think everybody likes that much. And some recipes call for you can put some mint leaves. So again, tune it to your taste. I'll put it in the links below as optional ingredients. But again, you guys tweak it the way you like it. So we'll take this. We'll pour it in a little container. I think this will be big enough. Let's see what we can do. And we'll refrigerate it. Oh yeah, just enough. Delicious. Look at that. This is what the consistency should look like. Looks delicious. Can't wait to dip the shrimp into this. So now we're going to get started, and we're going to prep the ingredients to mix the shrimp in. All right, guys, now for the best part. The star of the dish is wild shrimp raw. These are Argentina reds caught off the coast. Again, let me reiterate, nothing farm raised. If you guys can do it, spend a couple extra dollars. It's not that much more. Get raw, right direct from the ocean. Least ingredients put in, very minimally processed. So we got a pound. It calls for that. Our ingredients are going to be, and again, they'll be in the links below. Black pepper, kosher salt, cumin, ground cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, chili, and I forgot the other, smoked paprika. And then we've got a little bit of Italian extra virgin olive oil. We'll put a smidgen of that in there, and we're going to mix it all up, and let's see how this goes. We're going to douse and let the all the shrimp soak all this goodness in. So I'm going to drain a little bit of excess water off, and these are ready to be mixed up. So let's see. Nice taste. And then we're going to heat up the grill on our new Blackstone tailgater combo. I'm anxious to use it for the first time. I have not used it yet, and I got a feeling that's going to be a big part of our life here on YouTube and our travels. And again, all these ingredients that I give you, even though I will be giving you the links, adjust it the way you like it. Don't take my word for it that you have to do just this amount. You guys have got to do this according to your taste. Some of you guys really like the cumin. You might want to add some hot pepper to this. It's whatever you like. So this is, oh, that's getting nice. Yeah, this looks delicious. If you can only smell this, oh my goodness. Yeah, I want to get a good coating. The shrimp are nice and wet, so everything is adhering real good. I just bought these shrimp, and they were frozen. I defrosted them, and these are large. You could do any size you want, but look at that. Is that not Slurpee? Yeah, I'm ready to have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So we'll put this aside. We'll let this stay in the refrigerator for just a little bit, and we'll move out to the grill. I'll go over that grill again with you guys. We're going to heat it up for the first time, and we've got the grates all seasoned, and we're just going to be using the grill side. We're not going to be using the flat pan side. So hold your breath, and we'll be right back. All right, our next ingredient is we've got skewers. I chose the metal ones better because there's no waste. And we're going to cut up a couple of peppers for the skewers and a red onion. And this is the reason why I bought pineapple slices. I'm going to cut these slices in half, and I'm going to put them on the skewer and then put the shrimp and make up all our skewers right now. All right, guys, we're outside. We're going to be using this the first time, the Blackstone tailgater combo. They come with really nice cast iron grates. I've washed them, cleaned them with warm soapy water. Now, I know you saw me inside. You think I forgot about the olive oil, but I didn't. I sprayed all my skewers down with spray olive oil, and now I'm going to spray these with olive oil. I like that a little bit better, and I'm not doing it on top of the pan, but I like to spray it real good so that no stick. So they're greased up pretty good, and look at these skewers. Is that not delicious? So we're going to heat up the grill to medium high, let it get a little warm, and then we're going to put these on here for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, flip them, and we should have ourselves a delicious grilled shrimp dish. There we go. I could see the flame came right on. I bled it out already, so it's all ready to go. We're going to let this get medium-high heat, and we'll see how good this gauge works. There you go. She's getting up there. She's already moving. So we'll give it about a minute or so, keeping that air vent closed to trap the heat. This is not to release smoke or any heat. Yep, we're up to 275. Wow, this thing heats up really fast. Woo! She's nice and warm. All right, we're going to get these delicious grilled skewers. Look at this. Oh yeah. In fact, I might just put them this way. And with the shrimp on them, pineapple, that is the bomb. Oh yeah. Let's shut that. And we'll let this cook 2 or 3 minutes. Then we'll come back and flip them over. Well guys, the moment of truth has come. I believe they're ready. This stayed at about 340. Ooh, they look delicious. All right, we're going to shut this off. And we're going to put these skewers in this pan right here. So let's see if I can do this without killing myself. Well, all right, we'll get our pineapple cilantro sauce and we'll dip some in and we'll see what it tastes like. All right, guys, we had it chilling for 30 minutes, the cilantro pineapple sauce. And I'm going to take a shrimp and dip it in. Here she goes. Delicious. This is fruity and so fresh. The pineapple makes it come alive. With the lime juice, oh, what an important ingredient. I'm going to try one more. I love this. And I'm going to take a pepper with it. You got to do this. This is delicious. I'm taking this to the office now. I'm going to treat my daughter and my manager there. I'm going to treat them with some fresh grilled shrimp. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you guys are new to the channel, man, thanks so much for watching this. This is part of our Munchie Mondays. We either do seafood reviews or good old recipes, seafood recipes right here in the kitchen. Again, thank you so much. Please hit the subscribe button, be part of our Fish Hook family. All the links to the recipes will be below the video. Until the next time, God bless.